Keto Warriors, welcome to our video. Today we're diving deep into the world of keto diet tips that will turbocharge your ketogenic journey. Let's dive into the video. Wait, before starting the Keto Cleanse video, I introduce you to Icaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Number 1. Choose healthy fats. Focus on healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish like salmon. Avoid trans fats and heavily processed fats. Number 2. Select quality proteins. Opt for lean meats, poultry, fish, and eggs as your protein sources. Avoid processed meats with added sugars or fillers. Number 3. Limit carbohydrates. Minimize carb intake by avoiding grains, sugary foods, and most fruits. Instead, consume low-carb vegetables like leafy greens, broccoli, and cauliflower. Number 4. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated as ketosis can lead to increased water loss. Electrolyte supplementation may also be necessary to prevent imbalances. Number 5. Plan your meals. Plan your meals and snacks to ensure they align with keto macros. This can help you avoid impulsive, high-carb choices. Ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat. To get the Icaria Lean supplement, click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. To view more exciting videos like this, please hit the like button, comment us, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.